What's up, P.O Mafia? It's your boy Otis, you guys.
It's your girl Jazz.
Yes, you guys, look, we are doing a sponsorship at Millions Crab in
sir.
Ashwaubenon, Wisconsin.
Yes.
And look, you guys, they gave us our opportunity to literally do a seafood.
Booyah!
So look, you guys, man, this is about to be lit. This is
Look,
our very first time. Yeah, Jazz short. But look, you guys, we're right here at Million Crabs in Ashwaubenon, Wisconsin.
Yes.
Man, we about to go on here. We're hungry, about to eat and give you guys an honest review.
Yep.
Look, see you guys.
What's up, P.O Mafia? P.O Mafia.
It's your boy Otis, you guys.
It's your girl Jazz.
And look, you guys, we are at Million Crab here in Ashwaubenon, very brand new location.
Yep.
This is our very first seafood place, really, besides Red Lobster.
Yeah, this is like
area.
this is like the low country of Green Bay.
Correct. Yeah, it's like the low country of Green Bay. So look, you guys. We got a lot of everything here.
Yeah, they really hooked it up.
Yeah, they hooked it up, you guys.
Yes.
This is their menu. Right here, you guys, we got white clams, we got black mussels, we got sausage, bull legs, potatoes, corn, snow crab legs, headless shrimp. And then right here, you guys, we got gator.
Appetizers.
We got gator right there. And then right here, we got asparagus.
Yes.
So you guys already know, we're going to make all this into a
Mukbang.
Y'all already know. So look, before you get into this video, we need y'all to do a couple of things.
Just a couple of things.
Like this video.
Share it.
Comment down below.
Hit that notification bell to the bing, to the bing, to the bing.
And don't forget to
subscribe.
All right, let's get it.
All right, so I thought we should try out the appetizers.
Yeah, I'm going to try out the appetizer real quick.
So I'm going to grab one.
Ooh, that smells pretty good. And I'm going to grab one.
What kind of sauce is that?
This type of sauce, let me see. I really don't know what kind of sauce this is, but we're going to test it out. So I'm going to dip it. Let Jazz dip it.
Oh, I lost my thing.
All right, I'm gonna give you guys that close up. Bam. So we gonna do this in 1, 2, 3.
Really crunchy. Flavorful. I had another one of those.
No done.
Wow.
Look. That's a hit.
Okay, let's try the asparagus. I'm gonna just grab it.
All
I
right.
ain't trying to get fancy with it.
Look, y'all. So we got asparagus.
Wow.
You can bring it.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, so
The asparagus so far, you guys,
this is good because
the gator is good. The gator is good. What would you give it?
I'm gonna rate that an 8 out of 10.
I'm gonna definitely rate it a 9 out of 10 right now, you guys. That is really good.
Yeah.
All the times we went to Florida, we missed out on gator.
Yeah,
this is our time.
Good. Actually, let me 10 out of 10.
Yeah, that's good.
10 out of
That's
10.
good, y'all.
I think that deserves a 10 out of 10.
That's good. And then right here, you got the asparagus.
Okay, let me keep it real. You know me, I'm gonna always keep it 100. I'm not gonna sugarcoat, I'm gonna keep it 100. Okay, so let's keep it real. When we make asparagus, you know, sometimes it's like a little floppy. But no, this,
y'all see it?
it got a nice crunch to it. I think this is how asparagus is supposed to taste. It ain't too hard.
Hold on. So you wait.
I had to keep it real.
So you saying the way I make it ain't good?
No, I'm not just saying you.
Y'all heard her, right?
No, me
Y'all better come
too.
get y'all girl.
But me too. Not just you.
Come and get y'all girl, y'all hear?
Not just you.
Right.
Me too.
I don't care about none. Look, so we gonna go
All right, so
and do.
let's put these appetizers aside.
Yeah, I'll put that appetizer to the side. And then right here, you guys, we got the mango smoothie. You know, so we're gonna test that out. That's their new product.
They gave us some gloves and then
Oh yeah.
look.
Yep. So we about to go ahead and get
I'm covered.
This video.
They hooked me up, y'all. I'm not wasting nothing on me today.
Y'all already know I'm about to put these gloves on.
All right. Oh yeah, we got even a bucket.
Yeah, we got buckets. So look, y'all.
All right.
We are about to smash. This is their combo for 4 people.
They got literally everything under the sun in there.
Facts.
Okay, check it out.
I'm about to go in, y'all. Look, because that's what y'all came here for.
Y'all ain't coming for us to top.
Ooh.
Y'all came in here to grow. Oh. Okay. Wow. When I said mouth, they gave me mouth, y'all. That's good. Wow. So tell them a little bit about their soft sodas.
Sauce is butter. Mild. I don't really know what Jazz picked. So she should be.
Okay, so it's called the Million Special. And basically, they got Cajun, lemon pepper in it, butter, and I think that's it, right?
Look.
You got the list by you.
Look. I'm ready to go in. I'll tell you all about that after the fact, okay? This is good, okay?
Look, I'm so used to just putting it on the table.
I'm about to go ahead and give y'all one of these right here.
I never had these before.
Clams.
No, I never had clams before. And they're actually pretty good. And then they gave us some mussels, y'all.
Look, y'all. Got that potato.
Oh yeah, I got that mussel. Got that muscle action going on, y'all.
Ooh, good. This is good.
Wow.
Now, we're literally
experiencing
it in their sponsor. So look, y'all. Shout out, you know, the reviews.
Shout out to Million Crab.
Shout out to Million Crabs, y'all, in Green Bay.
They know what they doing. And trust me, I know how seafood's supposed to taste. Okay? They know what they doing.
Yes, they do.
Did I get you? Oh. Sorry in advance if I did. Wow.
Look, y'all. I'm honestly say it feels nice not to be cooked.
Wow. Wow. It do. I mean, I act like I'm the one that be cooking. He cook. But yeah, I know it do feel good for you not to cook. Okay.
Y'all already know we can eat a lot of seafood. I make this on the daily. I don't know. My DNA is probably half seafood right now.
I know we've been eating a lot of seafood lately. We have. But man, this is good. Wow. Let me tell y'all something too. And for all the YouTubers that eat seafood, y'all can vouch for this. If seafood is coming easily out of the shell, they cooked it.
They cooked it perfect, y'all.
Yeah, they cooked it right.
They cooked it.
They didn't overcook it and they didn't undercook it. They cooked it right.
Yeah, they cooked this perfect.
People that's in the Green Bay area, Ashwaubanon area,
the Pier, Manitowoc, Rakuten, Appleton,
come on,
Ashwaubenon.
Come on, you won't regret it.
You will not regret this.
And people for the out of towners, come on, try it out.
Try it out.
You won't be disappointed. The prices are reasonable.
The price is right.
For seafood, now seafood ain't cheap. let's keep that 100. $171.99 for 4 people.
Look, y'all, and I'm honestly
you can't beat that.
You would not be disappointed.
So times that by 4. So how many individually? How?
Look, babe, I am hungry. I ain't trying to do no math.
See, he my human calculator. He don't want to do his magic right now. I said 17, didn't I?
I was gonna be here every day. You know what I mean?
I think that's reasonable.
Look, they got Uber Eats. They got it all, y'all. Wow.
Think about it, y'all. You might as well get this. If it's for y'all, y'all might as well get something like this. Because that's how much it's going to add up to anyways if you get like an individual, right? If you want everything, right?
If you want everything, I'm honestly say, you guys, look, and I'm honestly say this. We're not in Rhode Island. We're not in Maine. We're not in Atlanta. We're in Green Bay, Wisconsin.
Midwest.
We got nothing but lakes around us. In Michigan, they got a whole bunch of lakes. I'm going to tell you one thing about lakes. They do not host any kind of lobster. All right? Up here, you got perch. You got bluegill. You got rainbow trout. Salmon. You got, what's the other one? Bass. You got largemouth. You got smallmouth bass. I mean, it's in perch. Perch is like a fish fry favorite. It's like a pan fish. It's really small, but it's very flavorful. but we don't have lobster and stuff like that. So don't comment in the comment sections like
that's too expensive.
That's too expensive.
We're talking about seafood here, and we're in the Midwest.
We're in the Midwest. And look, again, we're not by any kind of lakes.
Mm-hmm. Say that for the people in the back.
If your girl wants seafood, you just gonna have to pay the price.
That's it. But for the price, it's worth it.
But for the price, it's definitely worth it.
You know,
you're gonna get your money worth for sure.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You're gonna get your money.
They seasoned
this very well.
Perfect.
And this is like, and this is enough for 4 people.
It really is.
And the gator right here, y'all.
Oh my God. That gator was good.
That gator was, wow. Look, y'all. Look.
But I wanted to make sure, the reason why I ain't eat it all is because I wanted to make sure I had enough room for this.
Look.
Look, y'all won't be disappointed. Y'all out of towners, come on, try it out. For the locals, hey, this is the first time we got anything like this here. Come on. And they got different prices as well too. Otis, you were saying something earlier about them. For people that don't like seafood.
For people that don't like seafood, they do got like a chicken sandwich.
And burgers, right?
I don't think they have burgers yet.
I thought that was a burger.
No. It's not. And it's messy right now. I got.
Oh, he ain't trying to look. Just how good this food is. They don't even want to put. They don't want to even put the seafood down to look, y'all.
Look. Wow. Y'all see, y'all probably like, oh, this going in.
But can I go on the website and check it out?
They got a Facebook page.
Okay.
That's how I found them. Mm-hmm. You know, they got a Facebook page. They show you some of their little meals and stuff like that. So definitely check them out. And I'm honestly say, you guys.
And it's just like, y'all seen how you suck that seasoning out? That's how good the seasoning is, y'all.
They're giving us a chance. Very first, sponsorship type video.
Mm-hmm. Let's try out these shake sodas.
Look.
I mean, we don't have shakes, we have smoothies. But they do sell shakes.
I don't even care about smoothies right now. I do a little sip.
You ain't thirsty?
I don't know.
I'm a little thirsty, y'all.
Look.
Yeah, I just did that. This is a strawberry banana. Pretty good. Pretty good. Not too much banana.
Is it good?
And not too much strawberry. It's perfectly blended.
Is it?
Yeah. You should try it. Which one was yours?
Mine is mango. That's really good.
Yeah, right? Hey, look at all this food we just... we tearing this up.
You guys, YouTube family, definitely check that out.
We ain't come to play with y'all.
We ain't come to play. But I'm honestly say, this right here make you want to stop your mom. And you hear I ain't say my mom. So, definitely do that. I mean, don't definitely stop your mom. I mean, do it at your own risk. Don't tell her Otis sent you, alright?
Don't listen to Otis, y'all. He gonna send y'all off. Oh, these muscles pretty big.
Oh man, excuse me. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Look, y'all. I ain't eat nothing all day.
And they got potatoes in here.
I ain't messing with
And
no potatoes.
But I ain't gonna lie. The only reason I'm not eating the potatoes is because I don't want to get full.
That's what happened. So for all y'all,
it's not that I don't want it. It looks
seafood,
perfect.
no, they are good. I'll taste it.
I'm gonna taste one for y'all.
They're really good.
I'm gonna taste one for y'all.
Don't get me wrong. They're very, very good.
They cook this perfect too.
But the only reason I'm not eating it is because like seafood is kind of like soda. You know,
it's nice and moist.
When you go to a restaurant like a buffet, for instance,
easy to bite into, not too hard. Perfect.
Don't get soda. Soda tricks the mind.
Wow, that is cool.
That you're full. Don't drink a whole bunch of water either. Just smash.
I want to get back into this snow crab right
and then get
sure. Oh, this is my favorite part. Hold on. Yep, I need you.
For people,
y'all know me. I always make others crack that part for me.
Right. So what I do, I get it like this. Put my hands together. Bam. Break it open like that. Ooh. Okay. Just like that. And bam. Now, go on here, baby.
Oh, he didn't actually eat it.
Look, y'all. This butter sauce is very good.
Yeah.
I haven't been talking to y'all like that. I'm sorry.
I've been doing most of the talking.
This is good. This is very flavorful. This butter sauce is definitely, like, for the money, don't come here on that, on that PPP loan. Yeah.
Wow.
But I'm honestly saying.
Did he just say that? I just caught what he just said. He's doing the most.
Y'all already know Otis. So, but
yeah, y'all.
For the most part,
wow. 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 All I can say is, let's rate this. Right now, Otis, honest, truthful opinion. What would you rate this? What would you rate this?
What?
What would you rate this seafood boil?
No cap, you guys. I'm gonna have to rate everything. I'm gonna have to rate it a straight 10.
I agree.
I'm not like
a straight 1,000. How about that? I give them 1,000.
Look, I'm not really.
Wow.
Y'all know us. We get honest reviews.
Yeah.
So if you come with something that don't taste good and you say it's good, we're gonna be like, no, this ain't. This isn't it.
Right.
So
yeah, we always.
I'm honestly say for what you pay for, for 4 people.
Yeah, it's worth it.
This is definitely worth it.
I feel like it's worth it.
It's
in my honest opinion, I think you're getting your money's worth.
You definitely.
And then better yet, whatever you don't finish, you pack it up, you take it home, you save it for later.
That's it.
That could be your leftovers for the evening.
But these right here, hold on, I need that sauce. I need the sauce.
I'm stuffed. Y'all can't go no more. Wow. Look, let me get your forehead. Let me get it. Let me get it. Mommy ain't getting his whole forehead. I got one side.
Look, y'all.
At least one side ain't straight.
Well, I'm honestly saying, you're in the Green Bay area, again, you got the pier, you got Ashwaubanon, which we are in, you got Green Bay,
But this is located.
New Franken, Manitowoc.
This is located in Ashwaubenon.
All that. The Fox City. Y'all coming to tailgate for the Packers anyways.
Mm-hmm. Come and eat. Come and eat.
Definitely come in.
Y'all craving some seafood? Come to Million Crab.
You know, it ain't your butter burger. It isn't your brats. It isn't your cheese soup. It ain't none of that. So if you want a burger, same spot.
But I think they sell burgers though.
I'm about to take a look. Chicken burger.
Yeah.
So I'm talking about hamburger.
Oh.
You want a hamburger? The same spot. As of right now. But if you are not a seafood person, don't be afraid to come here. They do got a chicken sandwich. And
while you eating chicken, your family could be eating
seafood. Correct.
Don't cheat them out of a meal.
Don't cheat them out of a meal.
Let them come.
So
let them enjoy. Let them eat good. You won't be disappointed.
You won't be disappointed with this at all, y'all. This.
What's the special that we got, Otis? Let me see. I can read it.
Look, y'all.
Look, I said I can read it. Look, you just got the menu all. What?
We got the Happy Foursome special. Again, $171.99. Again, this comes with 2 pounds of headless shrimp, 2 pounds of snow crab legs, 2 pounds of white clams, 2 pounds of black mussels, 1 pound of sausage, 4 corns, 4 potatoes, and 4 boiled eggs. So you guys.
Yeah, but they also got like regular combos.
And then they got regular combos. So for the people that ain't trying to do all of that,
combo A is $22.99.
Correct.
Combo B is $35.99.
And combo C is $39.99. So combo A is a half a pound of headless shrimp, half a pound of white clams, half a pound of crawfish, and then 1 corn, 1 potato, 1 egg for $22.99. That is a very good deal.
Yeah, can't beat that.
A very good deal. I'm gonna honestly say, a very good deal. We buy seafood, we make seafood. That's a very good deal. And it comes with a sauce. So combo B is $35.99. That's half pound of snow crab legs. So for all the people that like snow crab, this is what you're gonna want. 1 pound of headless shrimp, 1 corn, 1 potato, 1 egg, okay? Now combo C for the people that want to impress that girl on that first date, okay? You know, you went from combo A to combo C. You got 1 lobster tail. Again, 1 lobster tail. Let me say it for the people in the back. 1 lobster tail, okay? Half a pound of white clams, half a pound of headless shrimp, corn, potato, and egg. Okay?
Can't beat it.
Can't beat that. And then,
but they say you can't beat it.
Now the happy reunion for 6 Springs. You got 2 pounds of headless shrimp, 2 pounds of snow crab legs, 2 pounds of black mussel, 2 pounds of white clams, 2 pounds of crawfish, 1 pound of sausage, 6 corn, 6 potatoes, 6 boiled eggs, Cajun shrimp, calamari, 6 seafood bread. Look, y'all. And that meal right there is $211.99.
Beat it.
Okay.
Listen, y'all. Jail Mafia. This meal was it. It was good. It was thebomb.com and some.
You didn't taste.
I did. You did.
Y'all see how she do me?
I just got to tell the truth.
You see how she did me?
I got.
She didn't even tell me that she had a need, and here she is. That truth. Who is you?
Oh, just go ahead and eat the egg. Why you eating this little thing? Anyways, y'all. Thank y'all for coming, hanging out with us.
Hold on, y'all.
Anyways, thank y'all for coming.
Hey, y'all, close your eyes. Take a wish. Look.
Anywho, thank y'all for coming, hanging out with us, watching this review, and appreciating us for giving y'all an honest review. Like we said, if you're in the local area, come and check out
Million Crab Ashwaubanon.
Yes, sir.
So look, guys, if you're in De Pere, if you're in Howard, if you're in Schwamico, if you're in, I even guess Luxembourg, because that ain't too far. If you're in Appleton, if you're up in Denmark, if you, all the little cities, you guys, all the little places, Green Bay, Bellevue, all of these little spots.
What asparagus at? I just would love it.
Oh man, I put all my.
Why would you do that? I still want it. That asparagus was the bomb.
But if you're in this, if you're up in the area, definitely come check it out.
Please.
This is good. 10 out of a 10.
10 out of a 10, y'all.
And we went to what was that spot? What was that spot?
Low
Country.
In Chicago.
We went to Low Country. This is kind of like the Low Country
Of Green Bay.
of Green Bay.
Yes, sir.
If you guys know, when you go to Chicago, they always say like check out Low Country, which is like they got location downtown. I'm gonna tell you a couple good things about this location. Easy parking, close to the highway, close to the stadium. So if you are coming in town, if you want to go to the Packer Stadium, we're about like, give or take, 5-6 minutes from the stadium. For all the people that's like Wisconsin and stuff like that, we got Quick Trip, literally down the street. All types of stuff like this, literally in like a great location.
Agreeable. But yeah, y'all, we love y'all. We appreciate y'all.
And without y'all, it won't be no, oh my God, Jazz and Otis.
Say it with your chest.
Jazz and Otis, you guys.
You feel me? With that being said, how you want to end it?
We gonna end it with
love, peace, and soul train. Peace.